Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to QuranTutoring.com. Inshallah, in our today's class, we are going to learn the rules of Maddah letters. It is very important rule, and we should listen very carefully. So let me start. The Maddah letters. How many Maddah letters do we have? Number one, our first hint is, and that there are three Maddah letters. Alif madda, second one is waw madda, and third one is ya madda. What is the alif madda, what is the waw madda, and what is the ya madda? Inshallah, we'll learn all of the related rules one by one. What are the madda letters, what are the situation of the madda letters, and what we need to do if madda letters come. So as I discussed earlier, number one is alif madda. So let's move on the next page and learn what is the alif madda. Alif madda. The definition is when there is alif and alif has no any movement or symbol upon it, and the letter before alif has fatha on it, is called alif madda. So as I read here, when there is alif, so I can see in the example there is a alif after the ha, but as I mentioned, and alif do not have any of movement upon it, so there is no any movement on alif, but letter before alif has fatha on it, so it will be alif madda. So this alif is alif madda. This is the condition of alif madda. There is no any movement upon it, and the letter before of alif has fatha. In some time there will be a only letter has fatha. It cannot be alif madda because there is no alif madda, so there should be a proper alif but without any movement. Let's suppose if we put any movement upon it, like a fatha, hamza, fatha, it's gonna be kha. So it will not be alif madda. In alif madda, alif should be without any movement, and the letter before alif has movement. There should be a movement of fatha. So this was the example. And what we'll do if madda letters, if alif madda come. So whenever there will be alif madda come, then we must need to prolong the letter equal to one alif or 1 second. So like kha alif fatha kha, ba alif fatha ba, jim alif fatha ja. This was the some example. A'malahum. So this was the definition, and also function was the alif madda. So let's move on the next page. Our second madda letter is waw madda. When there is waw and waw has a sakoon on it, and the letter before waw sakin has a zamma on it, is called waw madda. Let's see an example. When there will be a waw, yes, there is a waw and waw has a sakoon. This is the symbol of sakoon, and we always use the sakoon for joining the two letters. So when there will be when this symbol, whenever sakoon will be on the waw, we'll check the letter before. If the letter before a waw has zamma on it, it will be waw madda. But if it has any of other movement like a fatha, it will not be it will not be waw madda. So for the waw madda, there should be a waw sakin, and before the waw sakin, there should be a zamma on the letter, like this word kha waw zamma khu, ba waw zamma bu, noon waw zamma nu. We can take any of letter. So when waw madda come, then we'll apply the same rule. We need to prolong the for waw equal to 1 second or one alif. Khu, bu, ma, cool. So this was some example of the waw madda. So let's move on the third page. Yeah, our next madda letter, next or last madda letter is ya madda. When there is a ya and ya has sakoon on it, this is the symbol of sakoon, as I explained earlier on the second page, and the letter before of ya sakin has kasra, it is called ya madda. ya sakin mean whenever a ya come with sakun. Whenever letter has sakun on it, it's called a sakin letter. Let's suppose we have ba with sakun, so it will be ba sakin. Similarly, when jim will become with the sakun, it's called jim sakin. So here we need a ya sakin. So when there will be ya sakin, we'll check the letter before. If the letter before ya sakin has kasra, it like this word, it will be ya madda. So we'll apply the same rule. We'll do prolong the letter equal to 1 alif or 1 second, like kha ya kasra khi, noon ya kasra ni, lam ya kasra li, tarmihim. So in the ya madda, in the rule of ya madda, there should be a ya sakin, and the before ya sakin there should be a kasra below the letter. If the previous letter has fatha or any other movement, so it will not be ya madda. So in the for the ya madda there should be a ya sakin, and the letter before ya sakin there should be a kasra. So as I explained earlier, we'll apply the same rule. We always will always prolong the every madda letter equal to 1 second. If anybody is not doing prolong, if it means they're doing mistake. So make sure when there will be a ya madda or if madda or waw madda in Quran, we'll do prolong. Otherwise, it will be a proper mistake. So should be very careful. And this was the all the rules about the ya madda. Inshallah, we'll carry on in the next class with some more rules. Till then, assalamu alaikum, rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.